Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to manage who can see your connection in LinkedIn on Android. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support this channel. And without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, you just have to open your LinkedIn application, and also you have to make sure that your phone is already connected to the internet. And now go ahead to your profile here at the top left. Now go to this settings option at the bottom. In the settings page, you just have to tap on this visibility. In this visibility, you will see here the option which is who can see your connections. Now just tap on it, and as you can see here on my connection visibility is on here guys. So if you wanna manage it, for example, if you wanna turn it off, only you can see your connection list on the LinkedIn guys. Here I'm gonna turn it off, so yeah, it will stop automatically. And I think it's enough. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.